Hi, I'm Brandon Knight. Today I want to show you how to add comments and collaborate on a script. Whether you're adding comments for your own reference as you write, or you want to gather feedback from another person who has access to a page, StudioBinder's comments feature is the perfect place to keep track of all those story threads. You'll find the comments toolbar here. Simply click and a sidebar will open for you. You can add comments or notes for yourself here for easy reference. When a comment is addressed, you can click here to mark it as closed. Just as easily, you can view all of your resolved comments by clicking here. This is a really handy way to make tasks for yourself as you write. But let's say you want feedback from another person. If your plan supports the collaborator features, you can invite them to view the script page so they can add comments. You can even give them edit permissions to make changes on your script. If your account has multiple team members, they can simply navigate right to the page and start adding comments. All comments are threaded, so you can easily reply and go back and forth. Unlike script notes, comments are not linked to versions. So if a collaborator or teammate wants to reference a previous version, you can easily switch versions by clicking here and still have sight of the comment thread. So the bottom line, by being able to mark comments from yourself, teammates, or collaborators as addressed, you now have the ability to see what has been done as well as what still needs to be addressed. Thanks for watching. I'm Brandon with StudioBinder, and we'll see you in the next video.